Hi, my name is Wesley Virgin. I am giving a wonderful shout out testimony for the Done For You service with Ariella and Wesley Virgin. This is an amazing experience, okay? So I'm new to this and I got my first sale. And it was very, very exciting. I went out running and exercising with my son, and we stopped changing music, and I was like, oh snap! So I wasn't actually physically doing it, working on it, right? But it came. So it's been an amazing adventure, and Wesley Virgin is a very, very motivational, very uplifting, because listening to him on a daily basis has helped me focus. I meditate more often, because I wanted to meditate before, but it wasn't like this, and my journaling and everything that he tells us to do, tells you to do, tells me to do, it has helped me wonderfully, tremendously.
Hello. This is Bezo speaking here. I just want to say something. I'm so grateful, I'm so blessed. Did you see my face? How I'm smiling today? First of all, I would like to thank today the most merciful God. Second, I would say thank you to the Wesley Virgin and Ariella for giving me this opportunity. Dedicated, motivated. Let's go!